The Taipei Mass Rapid Transit or Taipei MRT is fast, convenient, and most importantly, clean. I would say that the Taipei subway system is very easy to navigate around and is both bilingual in Chinese and English. These world-class public transportation systems get you almost anywhere in the urban area of Taipei. To get to the main center from the airport, a ride from Taiwan International Airport to Taipei Main Station will take around 35 minutes by the express train, and it will cost you 160 Taiwan dollars. The MRT operates from 6 AM till 12 midnight. The card that is suitable for tourists planning to use the MRT to get around Taipei is called EASYCARD, and it can be purchased at all MRT stations and convenience stores, which will cost you around 100 Taiwan dollars. This EASYCARD is accepted by MRT, city and prefectural buses. If you're not planning to use most of the time the MRT, then a one-way ticket IC token will be your option, which will be given from the ticket machines. How to use the MRT with your IC token or EASYCARD? Just tap the IC token or EASYCARD on the rectangular sign on the entrance gate. When you finish the ride, insert the coin into the slot to exit, as the machine will take the token away. Or for the EASYCARD user, just tap on the same rectangular sign and the system will automatically deduct some fees from the card. For EASYCARD users who would like to reload the card, just make your way to the MRT counters and do your reload from as low as 100 Taiwan dollars. When using the Taipei MRT, practice good ethics by lining up to the drawn lines at the station, as people in Taipei don't barge into the MRTs. They will allow the passengers first to disembark before entering. The Taipei MRT has about 6 lines, which are the brown line, red line, green line, orange line, blue line, and yellow line. To access the scenic spots around Taipei City using the MRT, you can take the brown line, which will bring you to Taipei Zoo, the red line, which will bring you to the Shilin Night Market and Elephant Mountain Hike, the green line, which will bring you to the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial and the Rauhe Night Market, the orange line, which is the Taipei 101, the blue line, which is basically frequent for travelers visiting Taipei due to its role as the main city line in the city, where it will bring you to Ximending as well, or the yellow line, which is the new Taipei Industrial Park. Also, the Taipei MRT stations provide lockers for those who carry lots of luggage with them, or backpackers who are carrying heavy backpacks that needs to be stored. You can find yourself a locker at a reasonable price of only 10 Taiwan dollars per hour. To sum it all, I would say that the Taipei Metro is one of the best I've experienced in Asia so far, as it is efficient and easy to navigate. The Taipei Metro Map is not as complicating as it seems. All you need to know is which station your destination is and where to transfer if you need to. So, be a savvy traveler and just use the Taipei Metro and explore Taipei, Taiwan. Get yourself an EASYCARD and start tapping all over Taipei. And that's a wrap. Now the next thing you can do, guys, is you can click into this video to find out more about Taipei, Taiwan, or you can click into this video to see more of my other adventures. So guys, catch you in the next video.